For this envelope, the color palette I have chosen is light cream, lemon green, forest green, pink, rose pink and maroon. The quilling supplies include circle scale, quilling tool, glue, glue applicator, I used needle tool here, and a pair of scissors. I will be using half strips of pink, rose pink and maroon for making one petal of a flower. Lay the circle scale upside down so it is easy to use. I will be using 6, 7 and 8 mm radius circles. Remember, all circle scales are not similar with their coding and their corresponding radius. I start with the lightest color pink. Make loose coils of circle size 6. After making two similar shapes from the pink, I shape them to be teardrops. I make two loose coils of circle size 7 mm in radius using the next color rose pink and make teardrops from them too. The maroon teardrop is from circle 8 mm radius. Maroon needs only one teardrop. The other half strip is used to wind around the petal. Arrange the petals with the darkest in the middle and the lighter shades towards the corners. Now I will be adhering the teardrops in the same order we arranged. Maroon in the center with rose pink in the sides and pink in the corners. I press the teardrops to be elongated. Wrap the half strip of maroon around the bunch of teardrops and glue the end. Now one petal is ready. You need to make 5 more similar petals to make one flower. Adhere all the 6 petals to make a flower. Make a tight coil with a full strip of light green color. This makes the center of the flower. You can push the coil to form a small dome shape to create interest. Apply glue to seal and fix the dome shape. Apply glue, dab off excess glue and adhere to the center of flower. With half strip of lemon green color, make eye shape. I use 7 mm circle size for the loose coil. You will need 2 eye shapes to make one leaf. Join both eye shapes little off center. Now wrap the leaf with forest green color. I use half strip of paper and make leaf stack with the same strip by gluing them as shown in the video. Now I join 2 leaves together. Let us now arrange to see which arrangement goes well. When satisfied with the arrangement, we can glue the elements down. To create some interest, I have added few tight coils made from light cream color. Now the envelope is done.